ng bola, score ng score yan. Trabahuin nyo eh. Kung maglalaro lang kayo, hindi tayo mananalo yan.
It's been on point for the Flying Titans.
I mean, it feels like that's gonna be their signature. Like really solid.
Even if it's early in the season.
Exactly.
The match against Petrogas Angels. And right now,
Her confidence stems from the inspiring performances of her teammates, particularly her role model, her ate Cici. Now,
in that sequence, and we've always said it. We've covered. I've covered Isamon executed. That's how important communication is really in a game. In game, you know, in game.
Game adjustments as well. Good reaction time on the part of Jen Nerva.
Let's look at it from this angle.
Could have been. Maybe Jen
If
also thought that they touched.
Too close. Yeah.
It's the blocking is spot on. Good read.
That's great read. Yes, that's a great read. She saw the slide. With the power. Back to Ea. They need her.
Yep, front.
2 points. CC and Ea, of course, all part of that season 80.
Talaga yung bola.
Oh boy, that is dangerous.
Cici Rondina, that much space.
Nahatak kasi ni Nunag eh. Ang ganda nung over galleries, Petrogas, the
Balikan dito ka mag-block sa kabila, ha?
Kalma lang tayo.
alive, 8 points, 7 attacks. She has doubled up on her average of 4.5. Almost doubled up. Here I come.
It's Choco Mucho versus Cherry Tigo. Semifinals game preview at 6 p.m. May 2, 2024. Who will win the match?